Hello everyone and welcome to Day Trader S&P 500. Today is Tuesday, January 18, 2022. This is Dale Woodson, editor of Woodson Wave Report. I want to get right into what we put out this morning pre-market open with the futures. It appears that the futures were in wave 3 of 3. There's one down, two up. This was this morning. Actually, it was last night at 10:30 p.m. While the futures were trading. You can see right there. And we had our wave 3 targets there. And we put out another post-market close report. I want to point out that our subscribers get all this information up front. You can see our subscription services there. And you can see our disclaimer there with our awards over the years. I also want to thank you guys for subscribing to the channel. Remember to hit the reminder bell. Don't forget to hit that like button. And it didn't show up, so we have a picture of it. There it is. Looks like that, only much smaller. So thank you guys for patronizing the channel. We appreciate it. We want to get right into the S&P analysis. I think we'll go with the futures first because I've been saying the futures been leading. The futures already put in an expanding triangle fourth wave. You can see here, A down, B up, C down, D up, E. That's 4. There's 5. And you can see we got a clear 5-wave pattern from that all-time high back on January 4, okay? There's the wave 1 low in circle, okay, in red. Then we have a wave 2 up. That's off a little bit. Let me put it over there. Okay, there we go. And you see I was hanging right above the 618 retracement, and then it started breaking down in wave 3 of 3. So we can get our targets here on the Fibonacci extension in the futures, because they are trading right now. There's 1, there's 2. This may not be exact, but 3. I have 4501 where wave 3 equals 1, and 4354 where wave 3 equals 1.618 of 1. Let me see if I have that pick there on the futures. There it is there. It was off by a little bit. You can see there is 1 down, there is 2 up. You can see our parameters there. And then we got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for 1. A 2, of course, 3 is in progress. Actually, it went a lot lower than that. You can see here, if we take out that low. This was pre-market again at 10:30 yesterday. Let me move that aside and look at those futures again. And you can see we took out that wave 1 low. That's very important there, okay? So 3 should go at least to 45. I think it's 04. I have 01 on here. Okay, that's where the futures are. Let's look at the cash. We got a little bit to discuss here. You can see we had that expanding triangle turn date of 114. So one of two things happened. Either the turn date is correct, and this is the low. So the time was correct and the price was wrong, or the price is correct and it still has further to go. And as I explained in the newsletter, this price pattern, this Elliott Wave pattern, is shaping up to be like the futures, a wave 3 of 3. It did take out that wave 1 low, as you can see right here. So it appears that this is still developing, and it will obviously bottom later than the 14th or the 18th. So we tried to marry price and time. They didn't marry, but looks like price is winning out over time. Looks like time is off, and there's still other turn dates in the future, and price should continue down in wave E. Let me see if I have that here on a pick for you guys, or I got that newsletter here. Here is the interim report where we have that. There we go. Okay, that's the top of the triangle there, that black line. There's wave D, 1 down, 2 up, and then we've got 1 of 3, 2 of 3, and we're in wave 3 of 3. And there's the gap, which is typical of wave 3 of 3. We have make or break points for this bearish count. All right, the first one is of this smaller degree. This wave 2 high is the first make or break at 46.65, and then to one higher degree, this second wave of a higher degree is 47.48. Otherwise, here's our targets for this 1, 2, 3, 45.30. A 1.618 is 44.46. This larger degree of trend, this 1 down here and 2 up there, that 3 gains equality at 45.15. and a 1.618 at 43.71. Again, our make or break points are these second wave highs of 2 varying degrees of trend. Let me see if I have that in a pick. So we'll see where this plays out here. Oh yeah, I got this. This is 1 of 3. That's 2 of 3, and there's those targets there, 12 and that's 45.12 and 43.66. Okay, so that's 1 and 2, and that's where the wave 3 targets are. Let me again verify if I put that in that. Yeah, there they are there. Okay, and that's 1 and 2, and there's the gap on 3 of 3. So let's see if that takes care of it all there. So ideally price and time would have married, but they didn't. So it looks like price is winning out over time. We'll see how this goes. We'll watch our second waves of 2 degrees of trend for make or break for this bearish count. Otherwise, this should continue down to our targets and ultimately come down to the bottom of wave E. Okay, let's leave you guys with the pick here. That's what we're looking at right there. And there are our target prices and our make or break points to the upside. Something for everyone. Okay, until next time, take care, everyone.